In this video tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to find any term in a binomial expansion. In a binomial expansion, how to find any term without expanding the whole and begin to find the end. But here, I'm going to teach you how to find the nth term in a binomial expansion without stress. Let's see in this question. They say find the fourth term in the expression of this. Find the fourth term in the expansion of 1 minus 4x all raised to power what? 8. Remember, if you love what I'm doing in this channel, please subscribe to enable me grow my what? Channel. Because your subscription grow my channel. So you subscribing is enable me grow my channel. So encourage me by subscribing. Then also comment. If you have subscribed already, comment. Thank you. Let's go to what we have. We say solution. Look at it. Look at what they said. I should get what? The 40th term in the expansion. In this case, I'm not going to expand the whole thing and begin to look for what? 40th term. I'm going to show you how to get it from the general formula of what? Binomial expansion. Look at the general formula of a binomial expansion, which is what? 2 terms. We say A plus what? B. This plus, as I said, is a constant. You must be there. Why A, B, N is a variable. Why this man is a constant. And this general formula of binomial expansion formula turned to be A getting to the maximum of power. Look at the maximum power. A come to maximum power. After A have come to maximum power, the next thing is plus. Look at the plus. Then out of N, I'm choosing 1. That's the next thing you will take. Out of N choosing 1, that was any combination 1. And what happened to power of A? It will drop by 1. And what happened to power of B? It will come to that 1 I choose. Then now plus. Then out of N again, I'm choosing what? 2. Out of N, I'm going to choose what? 2. After I have done this, out of N, I'm going to choose 2. What happened to the power of A? Power of A will drop by 2. Look at it. Power of A have decreased by 2. And what happened to power of B? Power of B will come up with what I've already choose. Then now, what I'm choosing is what power of B will come up with. Then now, looking at it, I have plus. Out of N, I'm choosing 3. And what happened to power of A after I've chosen 3? The power of A will drop by 3. And the power of B will be that 3 I choose. Then plus, out of N, I'm choosing 4. What will happen to power of A? It will drop by that 4 I'm choosing. And what happened to power of B? Power of B will be that 4 I choose. From this formula now, I find out that whatever I'm choosing is what the power of B is. And that's what power of A will what? Drop, will reduce by. And I see that, look at the first term, look at the second term, look at the third term, look at the fourth term, look at the fifth term, look at it. First term, second term, third term, fourth term, and what? Fifth term. Are you following me now? First term, second term, third term, and what? Fourth term and fifth term. Look at it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then look at it here. When I'm choosing 1, I'm in the second term. Watch it. When I'm choosing 1, I'm in the second term. When I'm choosing 2, I'm in the third term. Look at it. 1, 2, 3, the third term. When I'm choosing 3, I'm in the fourth term. 1, 2, 3, 4. Are you what I'm saying? You see that when I'm choosing 3, I'm already in the fourth term. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then when I'm choosing 4, I'm already in what? Fifth term. Look at it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you now see that if I'm choosing 3, I'm in the fourth term. If I'm choosing 3, I add 1 to it, I'm in the fourth term. So when I'm choosing 4, I'm in the fifth term. So if I'm choosing 3, I will add this 1 to that 3 I'm choosing. That gives me fourth term. If I'm choosing what? 2, I will add this 1 to that 2 I'm choosing. That gives me the third term. I think we are following what I'm explaining here. So when I want to get third term, I will choose 2. Then add this 1, that gives me the third term. When I want to get the fourth term, I'm going to choose 3. I will add this 1 there, which gives me the fourth term. Then when I want to get the fifth term, I will choose 4, and I will add this 1 to it, and that gives me the 50th term. So you will now see, for me to get the fourth term here on this question, I'm going to choose 3. I get what I'm saying now. For me to get this fourth term in this question, I'm going to choose what? 3. When I'm choosing 3, I'm already in fourth term. That's 3 plus this one give me the fourth term. So now from that, I look at the question they gave me. Looking at this question is not in a binomial format. There is a binomial format which will say A plus what? B. Therefore, I have to put this equation, the expression they give me, into binomial format. How am I going to do that? I'll say 1 plus, look at the plus, I'll put the plus, which I told you is a constant. And who is one of this minus? 4x. I have separated it, put here, all over what? 8. All over what? 8. Now, I'm going to go ahead to say, out of 8, I'm going to choose 3. Out of these 8, I'm choosing 3. That means I'm landing in the fourth term. As I'm choosing 3, I'm in the fourth what? Term. So when I choose 3, what happened to power of A? Look at my A now. In this case now, my A is 1. That's what happened to power of A. Power of A will go down by what? 3. That means A is at the maximum power minus the 3. Then now, what happened to power of B? Power of B will come to that what I choose. What am I choosing? 3. And what's my B? My B is minus 4x. That's my B. Minus 4x. And this is my A. And this is my what? B. Now minus 4x will raise to power of 3. Then now, what does this mean? Out of 8, I'm choosing 3. Mean that what? N. What's the N? 8. The N is what? 8. Out of what? N, I'm choosing 3. Mean N into N minus 1. That's the 2. N into minus what? 3. That's 3. 1, 2, 3. That's N into N minus 1. That's 2. N minus 3. That's 3. 1, 2, 3. Over what? 3 factorial. Dot. Then this 1 raised to power what? 8 minus 3 will give me 5. That's 1 raised to power 5. And this is this. Then coming to that, I'm going to substitute. What's the N? The N is what? 8. He become what? 8 into 8 minus 1. 8 minus what? 2. And dot 1 dot. Because 1 raised to power any value is 1. 1 raised to power 1 million is 1. Then dot. And what happened here? You remember what we said that when we open this bracket, according to the indices, this man will be raised to power 3, and this man will be raised to power 3. Look at what I mean. Minus what? 4 into what x, all raised to power 4. Opening this will give me what? Minus 4, all raised to power what? 4. All raised to power 3, I mean to say. Look at this 3, that's what they give us. And this will be what? Dot multiplication, x raised to power what? 3. This is what they mean. And that's what indices told me that a plus what? B, all raised to power what? N, is equals to what? A raised to power n and what? B raised to power n. And that's what I did here. When I open this bracket, this will be power of 4 will be raised to power 3. This minus 4 will be raised to power 3, and x will be raised to power 3 whenever I open this kind of bracket. Therefore, I have this, and that's what you saw here. That's what we are writing, what we've written here. We say minus 4 raised to power 3, dot, which is multiplication, x raised to power what? 3. Then this times what? 7. 8 minus 1 is 7. 8 minus 2 is what? 6. And this 8 times 7 times 6 over 3 times 2, which is what? 6 times 1, and that's me 6. Then this now become 1 times anything is 1. 1 times anything is that thing. This 1 times anything here is that thing. Therefore, 1 have disappeared. I have multiplied 4 minus 4 raised to power 3. This minus 4 raised to power 3 means minus 4 times minus 4 times minus 4. And that's give me minus 64 times what? X raised to power 3. And that's what I have here. And then this man now here, which is what? 6. Divide, cancel this 6. This 6 will cancel this 6, leaving me with 8 times 7, and that's 8 times 7 times minus 64 x raised to power 3. And when this times this times this, it will give me what? Minus 3, 5, 8, 4 x raised to power 3. And that's give me the what? The fourth term, which they asked me. They told me to get the fourth term, and that give me the fourth term. My fourth term is what? Minus 35. 8, 4, x raised to power 4. And that's the first time they asked me. You will now see that with the help of the general formula of the binomial expansion, I am going to get exactly 4 times at any time. So when they ask me the 6th time, and if they ask me now to get the 6th time, what am I going to choose to get the 6th time? I will choose 5. When I'm choosing 5, I'm already in the 6th time. That's 5 plus this one will give me the 6th time. Then when they ask me to find the what? The 7th time. For me to get the 7th time in expansion, I'm going to choose 6. When I choose 6 plus, this one will give me the 7th time. When they said I should get the 5th time, as mean they asked us now to find the 5th term of this expansion. The 5th term of this expansion means that I'm going to choose 4. When I'm choosing 4 plus this one, that will give me what? The 5th what term. As mean they say I should get the 7th term. If I ask me to get the 7th term, that means I'm going to choose what? 5. I'm going to choose 6. After I choose 6 plus this one will give me the 7th term. So I think I've explained this, how you can get exactly the nth term in expansion of what? Binomial. That's what I told you, that this video will then teach you how to get the nth term in any binomial expansion. Are you know what I'm saying? So we have learned it now, that for me to get any term in what? Binomial expansion, whatever I'm choosing plus 1 will give me that number I'm getting over there. Thank you for subscribing to my channel and helping me to grow my channel. As you love what we are doing, remember to what? Comment and what? Share to your friend. See you in the next video.